You can sell digital products using your EzyCourse platform, and you'll find those under products and services and digital products. Now, very simply put, a digital product is something somebody can download. So it might be a zip file containing resources. It could be some templates for a particular bit of software. It could be some worksheets that are bundled up, that type of thing. Now, I am in the EzyCourse platform. I've clicked on digital products and I'm going to edit this product here just so that you can see how straightforward it is to create one. I give it a title, a description, a short description. I can choose a category for it, give it a price and some other information, some images for it, and obviously upload the file that you're selling as well. Now, very easy to create a new digital product with this add product button. Now, let's have a look at what that would look like from a user perspective. So over here on our example site, I've gone into the all products page and you can see I'm on the digital products tab. And these are the two digital products that are available for sale. So let's click on this one here. I can find out a bit more information. So all that short description text and information that we put in before, we can see, and there's the image that we uploaded. And if I want to download that product, I simply click on the download button and then I'm prompted to make payment for it. Now, once I've purchased that product, I can access that in my dashboard. So let's have a look at that. So I've now gone ahead and purchased that digital download. I'm in my dashboard, which I got to by clicking on my icon and clicking on accounts. And then in here, I can see digital products. So I can simply click into that section there. And here is where I could download the product that I've purchased. So digital products are another great revenue maker on your EzyCourse platform.